Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George at the Volo Auto Museum, and today's virtual test drive is going to be a 1979 Pontiac Trans AM. Alright, before we get started, I'm going to do a little walk around, and these test drive videos are for all the potential buyers that can't make it out that would love to actually purchase this, get a little bit more of a virtual feel of everything. It really is a beautiful car. Not perfect, has little imperfections here and there, but it actually does have the 41,000 just original miles on it, which is really nice. So if you can, before we hop in, just go ahead and click subscribe, turn on notifications for this YouTube channel, and then also when we're done, visit the volo.cars.com, our website, where Jay has all the write-up on this beautiful vehicle. And yeah, keep checking back for more videos. Yeah. All right, getting in, the seat's pretty comfortable. The interior is definitely not perfect. It has little nicks here and there, but when you have an original, mostly original car, they did have the a new CD player, AM, FM, everything ready for it. So let's buckle up, see what else we have here. Let's see what this V8. Starts up really nice with these. We've had this one not for very long, so this is my first time really getting a chance to drive it around. We haven't put it through the whole shop. It does have AC. Let's see if this kicks on. Max core. Actually, it is already starting to get pretty cold. Nice. Radio.
Windows and doors. Celebrate.
Radio works. Horn blows. Wipers wipe and return. All right, and you have your standard gauges up here: tachometer, speedometer. So this one thing that makes this car really awesome is the fact that it has the 4-speed. We get a lot of Trans AMs coming through, and they'll be the automatic, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. But nothing really beats the feel of a 4-speed. And the tilt wheel. All right, let's go ahead and take it out. Power steering. Feels nice. No real play. Shifts nice. Comfortable ride. It has the 4-wheel disc brakes, so they work awesome. Hear a little bit of rattling as it goes over some of the bumpy roads, but notice that's with pretty much all of the older cars. Overall, for 41,000 original miles, I mean, it's very well kept. Speedometer works, water temp gauge is going up. Window indicators work. Looks like the clock's working in here too. That's pretty sweet. 2200 RPMs. Pretty quiet inside too. Power steering is really smooth. I know I said smooth again. I've never taken these cars out on the virtual test drive to really beat on them or anything like that. But I still do go through the gears, get it up to speed, so you can get a good understanding of, yes, what the car can do in normal turns. I'm not street racing any of them, so. But I really appreciate you coming along this test drive with me. Like I said before, just go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and go over to volocars.com to see the car's pricing and all the other details that Jay has written up. And as always, appreciate you.